This is an interesting site that somebody sent me a link to this morning. And so I'm just looking at it. I haven't figured out exactly what it'll be most useful for, but the address is foxtype.com. And once I got to that homepage, then I clicked on sentence tree, and I had copied a sentence from the grammar quiz and pasted it here to look at how all the words come together in this visual format. So if you've had experience with sentence diagramming, this is a diagram of this sentence. And what I think is useful here is that I have the verb at the top, and so this is called a tree diagram. It's not the same kind of diagramming that I used to do in school, but this is the type of diagramming that we did in graduate school, and I'm not sure, maybe now all elementary schools are doing this kind of diagramming instead. But so the verb is at the top, and then I can see my subject here is in blue. And so I need to go over to this other group, which begins with the coordinating conjunction, and to send text messages. And so that's the part I'm curious about. Is that a complete sentence? And so I can see it has a verb, which is half of what a complete sentence needs to have. I can see that it's not connected. There aren't any lines connecting it to my main clause. And so it's a separate clause, but it lacks a blue square. It doesn't have a subject. And so that is going to make it a fragment. It's not connected, and it doesn't have a subject and a verb, which is what a complete sentence needs. And so that part is a fragment. So it's an interesting site to look at. If you find a great use for it, let me know. I'd love to hear from you.